New week, new challenges filled with opportunity. This crazy fit, we're engaging in 2 count push-ups today, 3 to 5 rounds, EMOM style. Get your mat, get your towel and water. Let's get on the floor, let's get started. This warm-up is for 2 sets. On your knees for these 2 sets. Hands directly underneath your shoulders. Spread your fingers, press into the floor. From the position of plank knees. And now we're ready. 3, 2, 1, let's drop the chest. Only gonna do 8. 2 more. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Just dropping your chest to the floor. Don't put your chest on the floor, just drop it to the floor. 2 more. Last one. Last push-up position. Hands directly on the shoulders. 2 count. 1, 2, hold. Then 1, 2, back to the top. So you're saying, well, that's a normal push-up, but it's still different. We're focusing on building strength. It's not going to be the down here and then back up. No, we're going to take our time and do these for 40 seconds. Let's get started. I have my good friends, my parallel bars. I'm going to do a couple of sets with these, and then I'm going to do other push-ups on the floor. If you're still working on doing your first push-up, or you get tired, you can come on your knees to do push-ups. You can utilize a bench, incline push-ups. You can also use the wall. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. That's all I got. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 2, down, hold, up, hold. So down to the floor, 90 degrees, and push back up into your regular position. And up. These are going to get a little bit more challenging over the next 2 weeks. The tempo here is going to slow down even more. Give me 1 more. Hold and up. 2. Rest out for that 20 seconds. Hydrate. For my second set, I'm going to use my parallel bars. Let me back up just a little bit. Okay, ready? And here we go. 2. These bars allow me to get a little bit deeper, and I like to grip with them. I feel my chest already starting to burn. Again, it's not about how many you can do. Can you endure to the end? It's a marathon. The goal of a marathoner, and relax, is to make it all the way to the end without stopping. They don't keep pressing. The speed is going to change, but they're going to keep going. Here we go. Number 3. Let's go. Down. 2. I'm going to count these. Make sure your elbows are out just a little bit, but not chicken wing style. They should be pointing back. In the back of you. One more. My chest is burning. Relax. Next set. On a pair of leg bars. I basically told you how the modifications are if you get too tired. So I'm gonna do my best to stay up. Let's go. It's not about trying to beat 9 push-ups. So what, I didn't get 10. Keep a straight line in your entire body. Keep your neck neutral. You should just be looking straight at the floor. About a couple of feet in front of you. One more. You believe it? That's 4 sets already. I am going to stay with my pair of leg bars. You can stay on the floor. If your wrists start to bother you, just turn them out just a little bit to comfort. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I'm going to try to pick up the pace a little bit. Still that pause at the bottom. Whew. Dang. Woo-wee. We knocked out 5 sets. Good job. I don't care what it took to get to the end. You made it. Stay with it. Stay in the game. You should be better.